SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
This video from SolveYourTech.com will show you how to turn off theater mode on Apple Watch, which will let the watch make sounds and illuminate when you receive notifications. So let's jump into our video about turning off theater mode on an Apple Watch. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. If you want to enable or disable theater mode on your Apple Watch, then you just need to make an adjustment to an option in the control center. You can do this by swiping up from the bottom of your screen, then looking for that mask icon. Simply tap that to enable theater mode. It's turned on when that button is orange. Then you can tap it again to turn it off. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.